So, this is the Realme 2 Pro. It's really stunning looking body and it does comes with black. The design is pretty clean and minimalistic, and it comes with two colors available in Malaysia, which is black and light blue, or it's called Ice Lake. The screen features the dewdrop shaped design on top along with the selfie camera and sensor and also the earpiece. The display itself is a 6.3-inch almost edge-to-edge TFT LCD display with 90.8% screen-to-body ratio and with slimmer bezel. And for those who wondered the PPI on this phone, is actually a 403 pixel per inch. And did I mention the display also comes with a Gorilla Glass 3? The display looks kind of amazing and quite vivid for an LCD display, not to mention the chin at the bottom of the display, but it's a way which kind of look good. It'll be great to hold your device during gaming on the device. The top of the device is the noise cancellation. On the left side is the volume up and down as well as the SIM tray. Thank God it's not a high-speed SIM tray, you have a SIM tray which features two SIM cards and also a micro SD card. On the right side is a power button, and at the bottom of the device is a single firing speaker as well as a micro USB port and an audio jack as well. There's also a fingerprint sensor combined with blazing fast facial recognition, which is a camera-based face unlock and is really quick thanks to the AI feature. The Realme 2 Pro packs with a 3500 mAh battery. Surprisingly, the battery can last you very long and can last you the entire day without a single charge. For day-to-day usage, you won't be disappointed at all. Gaming on the other hand could really handle really well, and I played 3 PUBG games with the battery only dropped less than 20%. The Realme 2 Pro packing the latest Snapdragon 660 AIE with 3 optional storage and RAM, which is 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, and you can bump it up to 6GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. And Realme also released the option in Malaysia which has 8GB of RAM and 108GB of storage. Let's get to the unboxing first. Inside the box, you'll see the device itself, casing, SIM ejector pin, charging brick, and micro USB cable. The Realme 2 Pro runs on ColorOS 5.2 and based on Android 8.1 Oreo. And for those people who want to look for Geekbench score, here's some Geekbench score. As well as the Antutu bench score. The Realme 2 Pro features a 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel depth sensor. The photo looks good and it has good saturation and contrast, and for low light performance is surprisingly impressive. And this of course is thanks to the f1.7 aperture, which also allows you to have some good natural depth effect. The portrait mode does surprisingly well thanks to the depth sensor and making your portrait shot looks great. And the camera itself able to shoot 4K video. The front-facing camera features 16 megapixel with an f-stop of 2.0. The camera does a very decent enough job and it also offers portrait mode on the selfie cam as well. The picture comes out great and also a little beautified even the setting is turned off, but it's just a small matter to me as I don't really take selfie a lot. The speaker on the Realme 2 Pro is really loud for this price range and you can hear it over the comparison.
You're a superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Can I be your superhero?
There's a few features I personally find it useful, which is the clone app. Since this phone features dual SIM, and the clone app able to create another WhatsApp where you're able to use 2 WhatsApp on one phone. And second feature is more towards the long screenshot. I really think this feature is very useful, and also I really do think that these features should be available on every phone out there.
Okay, hey guys, this is actually a 1080p video. I'm not sure if it's stabilized or it's on because there's no option to see it. So tell me what you guys think, drop me a comment down below. Okay, now let's look for a place to do some focus subject. Can we do the tree again? Oh god. Okay, look at this. It's more like tap to focus, but then again, yeah. Okay, let me go with here. Yeah, it's more towards tap to focus, but then again, yeah. Okay, now this is in 4K. Tell me what you guys think about the video quality and stabilization, whether it works or not. Then again, oh my god, I almost fall. Sorry, guys. Focus. Oh, this one worked well. Hold on. I mean, like, it's kind of slow, but focus does work, I think. Yeah. So tell me what you guys think and drop me a comment down below. This is the front-facing video camera test. So tell me what you guys think and drop me a comment down below. I'm gonna walk back. I'll be walking around here weirdly and people are staring. So tell me what you guys think, the video quality and the stabilization as well. Drop me a comment down below.
The Realme 2 Pro is a really strong contender at this price, and yet another high quality option for those who are looking to spend less for the next smartphone. Not to mention the clean design and also the premium looking design as well. Aside from that, thank you guys very much for watching. Hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't, and do hit the notification bell button as well. You'll get notified every single time I upload. This is Mark here. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!